Dr. Beasley's Matte Paint Coating Pro Kit is an elastomeric self-healing ceramic coating system for matte finishes. So how does it work? Let me walk you through it. Inside the kit you will find a 1-ounce bottle of Matte Paint Coating Pro, a 2-ounce bottle of Matte Paint Coating Pro Prep, a foam block applicator, 2 suede cloths, and a pipette. You'll also need several clean, dry microfiber towels, some painter's tape, and a bottle of distilled water. Keep in mind that it's best to do this type of detailing in a controlled, well-ventilated environment, like a garage. Before beginning the application, be sure your matte paint is clean and free of contaminants using Dr. Beasley's Matte Body Wash and Matte Paint Cleanser. Step 1. Tape off your headlights, badging, and any other adjacent non-paint surfaces. Then, spray the Matte Paint Coating Pro Prep onto the panel and wipe off with a clean microfiber towel. This will remove any excess contaminants or residue and provide anchor points for bonding. Step 2. Spray the bottle of distilled water on the panel to reduce friction and strengthen the bond. Then take the foam block applicator and wrap it with one of the suede cloths. Using the pipette, apply about 10 drops of Matte Paint Coating Pro in a line down the suede cloth. Step 3. Move the applicator in horizontal lines across the panel. After you've covered the panel in horizontal lines, go back and repeat with vertical lines, going from the top down. Using this crosshatch pattern ensures full coverage. Step 4. Let the coating sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove with a fresh microfiber towel. Step 5. Repeat steps 1 through 4 until your entire vehicle is protected. Reapply several drops of Matte Paint Coating Pro on your applicator after every few panels. After coating your entire vehicle, leave it undisturbed to cure for 1 hour. Full cure will take 23 to 48 hours. Avoid washing your vehicle with soap for the first 7 days after application. To keep your coating performing at a high level, apply Advanced Coat Matte every 3 months or as needed. This will reinforce the coating's durability and increase the level of hydrophobicity. Your application is now complete. With the coating applied, your matte finish will resist UV fading, bead off water, and self-heal micro-marring over time.